braising my oxtail to cook down slow cooker style in the Dutchie, because I don't like pressure cookers. Stay tuned for the end result or the in-between process. So the braising is finished. Now I'm going to add in just a little bit of boiling water, just a little bit, and then I'm going to turn on the stove on low and let it slow cook. Fire is on a pretty low heat, and the oxtails are boiling, simmering till they finish cooked and they're tender. In the original browning process, this is what I use to brown. Add a little seasoning on it, add a little bit. I don't really like using browning, so I use this, a little of this, and it works pretty good. And plus the braising makes it, give it that dark. In the original cooking process, I use these seasons to season the oxtail. I'm adding them back in at the end of the cooking process because during that process it tends to come out. I don't use salt, so it's adobo, Maggi all-purpose, and chicken bouillon. This is what will be added in at the end: sweet pepper, thyme, tomato, scotch bonnet, onion, garlic, allspice, which is also called pimento, scallion, and the classic butter bean. And it will cook down to make a gravy. The meat has now become tender to where you can see that it's coming right off of the bone. See, it's tender. I'm going to add in back the seasoning that I had said before. And all of the stuff that we cut up to make the gravy. You're just going to stir in all the seasonings and things that you added in there, and then you bring it to a boil and let it finish cook and get tender for a little while longer, maybe about another 10 minutes to cook down the onions and pepper and thing. I like to put a little ketchup in there at the end. Everybody doesn't have to do that. That is what I do to kind of thicken it, and it kind of makes the gravy like stiffer, so it's thicker. Then just bring everything to a boil for a little bit.